What's up everybody, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you if you have a new YouTube channel and you want to make a professional logo profile picture for your YouTube channel without using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator or any kind of graphic design software, because in this video, I'm going to show you using an application on your mobile phone, you can make a professional branding logo for your YouTube channel. So coming up. So guys, welcome back to our mobile screen. So at first we need to install an application about making our YouTube professional logo, and that is Canva. Exactly, you have heard just Canva. Canva application is most powerful design and photo editing application for your YouTube logo or YouTube cover picture. If you want to need a video about making YouTube channel art, then comment me. I will make a video about it also. So you have to install Canva. We have already installed, and for that we can open from here and we can uninstall from here. So we have already installed. Now we are opening the Canva application, and after opening, if you the first time here, you have to go for access with your email address, or you're creating a account by using your Facebook account. If you have already installed your Facebook application, you can log in to your Facebook ID, then you can easily access to the Canva application. Okay, so after coming Canva application, you have to search here YouTube channel logo. Okay, YouTube channel logo. After searching YouTube channel logo, you can find here free template for your YouTube channel logo. You can make your photo logo, you can make your channel name logo, you can make your channel avatar logo, etc, etc. Like our channel name is Creator Fact. Okay, so now we want to customize this logo. Okay, because here the C is common thing for our logo, and the logo name is here also. Okay, so after that, after coming here, we can customize this name by double clicking, and now we are writing our channel name Creator Fact. You have to minimize here, adjustment what you want about it, and then you can use here any title. So we skip it. Ultimate Fashion, we can give here Ultimate Creator. Okay, after giving that, you can change your color also. Here from here we are giving here yellow color, and Creator Fact is okay, color pick. Our profile logo is completed. You can change your background cover also, or your background color also from here, color, and we can change to blue or purple, what you want. Okay, this color is most appropriate for this reason. Okay, our logo is completed. Now we have to download our logo from here. Our logo is being downloading. Download PNG. Now we can go to our file, and here is all photo Creator Fact. Okay, your logo has been completed, and you can see how easy that is. You can use, or you can create a logo by using your mobile phone for your YouTube channel, for making a branding YouTube logo. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and comment below, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos about YouTube marketing and content creation guidelines. So bye for now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.